Hi friends, welcome back. I'm busy again. It's Saturday. Orlando's gone for the day, see some family. It's only gonna get up to 38 to 40 outside all day. Although it's sunny, it fools you because it's really cold. So I'm home alone. So what do we do when we're home alone? Projects. So I've got this board here. I'm gonna turn the camera around in a minute, then I'm gonna paint, and then I'm gonna stencil. And this farmhouse sign up here on the wall. Can you see that? You've seen it a million times, I know. Let's see if I can get the camera up. Oh, I can't. Wait, there you go. Can you see it? Kind of see it. There you see it. I'm going to take that down and change it. I'm trying not to show you back there because I've got a small haul I'm going to do while the paint's drying. Yeah, so you know, I bought these pictures over here, and I love the fact, boy, this is hard today. I love the fact that the background is black and the actual print is white. So I'm gonna, what is it, reverse the farmhouse sign. I may not even do farmhouse this time, I'm not sure. I haven't chosen my stencil yet. I'm just gonna paint it and let it dry. So that's what we're doing. If you like to watch me paint, I don't want you to see that back. There we go. And you can still see the back. I'm just all over the place today, but you can't see what's in it, can you? Ha ha! I've got a secret. Okay, so I'm going to paint this board really quick. I am using a chalky paint from Lowe's. I can't even see who it's by. I think it says Krylon, and it's ultra matte, and it's black. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this real quick. Little tip for you here. I buy the long, that's much better, the long paint stirrers, and then I cut them in half when I'm using when I'm crafting and using smaller jars of paint instead of large, like if you were painting a room. And then you don't have to go and get them so often. Just a little tip. See? I cut that one. All right. This paint goes on really smooth, as you can see. And it dries super matte. I've used it on some other things. I guess I could have gone with something different, but I kind of like that farmhouse up there. I don't know, like I said, if it's going to still be farmhouse. It may say something else, but we'll see. I'll have to go through my stencils. I do have a Cricut, so I could actually make one, but I haven't done that yet. The reversed, what is it? The reversed picking, or yeah, when you're taking the vinyl out. I haven't done that yet. I may try that today since I have some time. Lord, I've had that Cricut. There's so much you can do with it, and I don't know half of it. I just don't have a lot of time, but I'm hoping that will change soon. Now, painting like this, craft painting, is so relaxing to me, or painting pieces of furniture. I do not attempt to paint walls. For some reason, as much as I love painting like this or painting furniture, I hate painting walls. And I also make a mess. And so since my frame of mind. I would say OCD, but some people find that insulting, but it is kind of what it is. If I were to do it and to get paint on the ceiling, if I were painting a wall and got a different color on the ceiling, that would bother me to no end. It would drive me nuts. So I either ask Orlando to do it or I get a professional. But I don't paint the house that often, so. But this to me is so relaxing. When I start doing something like this, I'm always thinking, what else can I paint? What else can I paint?
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space.
I could probably get away with one coat, but I'm gonna do two because this paint goes on really, really smooth and the coverage is great. You can see that. I would definitely recommend it. And I wish I could see. I've got paint all over it. Oh, there. Oh, hold on. I can tell you the name. Yeah, it's Krylon. It's Krylon Chalky Finish. If you're looking for something to paint, oh, I don't know, a piece of furniture or, you know, some crafting, it's great. I don't remember what it cost, but I can say it wasn't too terribly expensive.
Better way, oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day.
so I'm going to let that first coat dry, and then I'll come back and do coat number 2. Friends, I hope you are enjoying the video. I love painting. It is so relaxing for me. And what you're going to see me do here, which is another tip, you do not have to use one stencil the way that it comes. You can take 2 or 3 and put them together so that you can create your own design, which is what I'm going to do here. And while you're watching, I want to remind you that if you're new here, this is a lifestyle channel, and we do everything here from DIYs, as we're doing today, upcycles, organization, cleaning, shopping hauls, and the occasional recipe. And if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? And once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. We have a lot of fun over here, and my YouTube channel, or our YouTube channel, I like to say, because it belongs to me and my subscribers, it's very diverse. We do quite a few different things here, and they all have to do with living a good life. And for us, it's living a good life in a cozy space. Everyone does not have 4,500 square feet, and that's okay. That's okay, because everyone doesn't need 4,500 square feet. It's just my hubs and I, and so the space is large enough, and I have fun making it cozy, and I'd like for you to join me on that journey. And if you're one of my new subscribers, I want you to know that I see you. I see you, and I'm so very blessed and humbled that you're here with us, that you've decided to spend some time out of your life, out of your day, out of your week with us here at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. And for my ride or dies, those of you that have been around from the beginning and have stuck and stayed, I want to say that I love you, and I'm so very pleased that you're here and that you've decided to just be a part of my life and allow me to be a part of yours. I am grateful for that. And so I'm going to go on with the video now, but I'd like to say that just being here with you guys is so much fun. It's fun for me. It's relaxing for me. I find that I look forward to putting these videos together, and then I get excited to see how you guys receive them every week. So continue coming back. Leave comments below. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoy a video. It really, really helps my channel, and always, always try to watch the video till the very end. I would appreciate it. So back to creating.
All of those years that passed us by, all of those tears we both had cried, I really miss to seeing you smile. I blame myself, although I tried. Even if I love you, this fight is yours no matter what I do. I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. One last glimpse of you before I'm closing the door. Seconds away from breaking, I'm losing this war. Letting you go. I'm waving my white flag, 'cause soon we'll be gone. Oh spirit, sing, choose wisely, dear, you still got time. Yeah, we're the lucky ones, living every day like it's our very.
So friends, as we come to the reveal, I'm popping in just to say that I thank you for sticking and staying with me through the video. I'd also like to remind you to find something today to bring joy into your life. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment so we can get to know each other. Friends, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. And I want to let you know and remind you that someone at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward loves you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
To shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.